In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your Claude usage summary quickly and easily. This is a helpful feature if you want to understand how you're using Claude, check your usage behavior, and review your activity from inside the app. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Claude on your device or in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom left corner and click your profile name or profile icon. This opens your account and app options. From there, click Settings. The Settings menu gives you access to several account and app preferences. Now, on the left sidebar inside Settings, look for the option called Reflect and click it. This is where Claude displays your usage summary and behavior information. Once the page loads, you can view your Claude usage behavior here and review the details available to your account. Take a moment to look through the summary so you can better understand how you're using the platform. And that's it. You've now found your Claude usage summary in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more Claude tips and walkthroughs.